Emotion enhancing your personal development. So, hello guys. Today, if you see me here, it's not a mistake, and I've been in a place for some days and some hours. I want to do something. Today, I'm going to talk about the trials. A story about if you're not there, don't speak about it. That's the story for today. So, the story of today, I'm going to talk about if you're not there, don't speak of. Always people do complain. And if you do complain, what makes you complain? People do tell their colleagues that this man is a thief. He's a thief all because of he steal this and he go take this, he take that, he take that. Okay. What I want you to know is that if you're not in that position, if you're not in being, you have not been that shoes, you are not going to take it. The reason why you are not a thief today is that the opportunity has not come to your doors. And what makes we know, or what will make us go to know that you're not a TV, is that when the opportunity comes and you do not take it, when the opportunity comes and the thing are lying down there and you don't pick some up, that will make us know that you're not a thief. So far as this opportunity is not on your doors and you're in a different place altogether, not getting that kind of influence, not getting that kind of pressure, then you're not going to take it. The reason why now you see that this man wasn't able to solve his marriage problem is that you have not get to that marriage position. If you are in the same shoes with that man, you will got to know that what he do or what makes him do that is very small thing. You, if it will be you, you're going to do the worst thing. So don't see somebody's current issue and solve and judge the person. You are not in the same shoes. So whatever you are doing, try to know and remember that it's a time you will get there. Don't force yourself to do things that is not, or don't say things that you don't know anything about it. Okay. So please, I will end everything here by saying do not forget to subscribe it, like it, comment, and share. To meet again. Adiao. Bye.